Innovation is absolutely essential for revitalizing our health system. The key to making this is through universal healthcare. The experience with the UHC programs in the province in the span of almost 2 years has been positive, dynamic, and proactive in form. First, from the birth of the Sultan Kudarat One Hospital Command Center for Patient Optimal Navigation. As an acid test of universal healthcare in the province, the first in Region 12. That marks another milestone for all Sultan Kudarateños. The Sultan Kudarat Patient Navigation and Referral Center, formerly Sultan Kudarat One Hospital Command Center, have developed OHCC core processes such as data analysis. Our workflow with big data we can use to determine the most efficient way to gain insight and document. Healthcare innovation as introducing new systems, policies, and services to name a few that will improve the quality and outcomes of healthcare and reduce disparities. In the journey toward UHC, the province is seeking balance between control and risk affordability, innovation, competition, and consistency as we start small and aim big. As the province begins to link to the overall digital transformation program, care provider navigation tools are created and aims to be digital front door to the UHC programs in the province. Second is case referral.
One Hospital Command Center, good afternoon. Yes, sir. Ano pong concern natin, sir? May i-refer po kayo. Sir, si Colonel Arenga po ito yung chief ng One Hospital Command Center. So kung may concern po tayo, i-refer ko po kayo, sir, sa medical coordinator namin kasi sila po yung mag-navigate ng patient ninyo.
Sultan Kudarat National Patient and Navigation and Referral Center. Good morning. Si Shapia po ito, sir. Yes po, ano po yung maitutulong ko, sir? Okay po. Yes po, sir. I-check ko po sa system, sir. Okay po. Naka-oxygen supply po ba si nanay, sir? Okay. So, medyo mababa po yung O2 sat ni nanay, which is 65 po. Okay. Aware naman po kayo, sir, no? Kasi nurse naman po kayo. Okay po. Yes, sir. Sige, sir. We are trying to coordinate po sa mga hospitals. Okay po. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you.
As innovators, we believe that we need to push the agenda of innovations. We need to focus on a goal beyond themselves. Otherwise, they're more likely to achieve only incremental change. In SKOHCC, we establish a system on call-taking management, a guide to our patients through the maze of healthcare systems and services by removing barriers and helping patients stay organized and motivated so patients receive the care they need. The digitalization in healthcare through the use of our digital mirrored referral platform we are using at SKOHCC have a huge impact on medical outcomes with lower costs and improved support for our patient. Installed additional ICT equipment and software. Oriented the Centers for Health Development in Sultan Kudarat and nearby provinces. And the ongoing making of Coordinator's Handbook.
Hello ma'am, good afternoon. Mag-follow up po ako sa status ni patient Francisco. Ano po ang latest vital sign niya ma'am? Pwede po po niyo? Po yung blood pressure, ma'am. 110/80. Temperature po, 37. Pulse rate po, ma'am. 81. Ang RR po niyo, ma'am. 21. Autosat po, 98%. Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much po. Bye-bye.
Third is our transport provision. Patient and healthcare worker safety is our main priority in navigating the patient.
Pwede po malaman ang location niyo ngayon, ma'am? Sa Marvel po. Okay, ma'am. Sige po. Thank you po. Bye, ma'am.
Verbal communication is vital. Doing it well, recording, and documentation what we spoke about. Dynamic coordination of ambulance for emergency medical assistance services. The objective is to attend patients at any possible location within our area of influence. This consists in providing assistance and, if necessary, the transport of patient to a medical facility. The potential to such systems to reduce mortality is directly related to the travel times of ambulances to emergency patients. An efficient coordination of the ambulance service is crucial for reducing the average travel times. SKOHCC also proposed mechanisms that dynamically improve the allocation of ambulances to patients, as well as the redeployment of available ambulances in the province under consideration.
Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon po. Mag-inform lang ako, ma'am, si patient Francisco. Admitted na siya sa SKPH ER Medicine Ward by Dr. Amin Amin. 3:48 p.m. Yes, ma'am. Pwede po malaman yung name niyo, ma'am, para po sa recording namin. Pahiman Namel. RN po, ma'am. Sige po. Thank you so much po, ma'am. Bye-bye.
Complete a detailed patient care and file additional report.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Ma'am, mag-asa po dito pa census, ma'am. 10 po. Thank you, ma'am.
Monitoring of referral tracking tool and immediate feedback to improve referral. Looking to move into the greater parts of the chain is the pilot implementation of healthcare provider network in the 11 municipalities and 1 city. That bears the full support, commitment, and resource aid of our former governor, Governor Suharto Teng Mangudadato, and continued support of our governor, Governor Dato Pax Ali S. Mangudadato, that amplify their vision for a healthy Sultan
Wala
Cuadrateños.
pa lang yung region, ay nandito kayo for you to also take a look at and learn what we've been doing here in Sultan Kudarat province. And, our innovations here made it different from other provinces. Other provinces may have innovations na wala sa amin. Okay? May kanya-kanyang beauty yan eh. And that's the beauty of everything na pati nga kami. No matter how intelligent or how high you are, you must always seek opportunities where you can learn. And ito naman yung grupo natin sa One Hospital Command. That's very good.
And a province that provides health management without borders. The goal is to build a one big helping hands to work together towards a common objective, beneficial to every constituents of the province and nearby provinces. A strong leadership built and established by an efficient and effective health system, providing certainty and commitment of UHC programs, clarity of direction of UHC reforms, and improvement improving trust amongst the stakeholders. Establish a network to both public and private sectors to work collaboratively on mutual interest.
So congratulations to the Sultan Kudarat for the establishment of their One Hospital Command Center.
And very advanced sila, Sir Gabano, when it comes to the implementation of their One Hospital Command Center.
Bigyan natin sila ng palakpakan. So we can learn and adopt some of the best practices doon sa kanilang area.
Exactly. And also, hopefully for other provinces and municipalities, they could replicate this referral center that the Sultan Kudarat had.
Sultan Kudarat Provincial Government was an official integration site for universal healthcare. As we develop proper implementation strategies, there is no reason for the development of universal healthcare in Sultan Kudarat Province. Right medical attention at the right medical facility without borders for every Sultan Kudarateños and nearby provinces.